Within our mid-corporate team, one area we're focusing on is manufacturing. We realise that this is such a broad spectrum and we understand that all manufacturing industries are different, which is why no one policy of ours looks the same. We tailor our product to the individual needs of the client after face-to-face meetings to make sure we understand their business in order to provide bespoke cover.
We already provide unique, tailored insurance solutions for metalworkers, breweries and distilleries, manufacturers of audio equipment, electronic component manufacturers, and that's to name just a few. Due to significant growth, AXA actually invest heavily in talent. I reckon they're talking about us.
They certainly are.
And in London Commercial alone, we've hired 9 new members of staff within the last year.
Here at AXA, we work closely with our key partners and our business resilience managers who will provide expert advice on improving the client's business, and Claire is here to tell you more.
Having worked throughout the manufacturing sector over the last 20 years, I recognise that each organisation is unique, but share the same goals to remain protective, competitive and profitable. Challenges arising, for example, from geopolitics impacting supply chain speed and costs, climate change driving net zero transition, and acquiring and retaining staff create operational risk. The AXA Mid-Corporate Business Resilience team is here to provide bespoke, dynamic solutions in collaboration with the broker market to help our clients build operational resilience, which can include things like in-person visits, claims liaison and ad hoc support with solutions to issues as they arise. We will deliver when needed and in a manner that supports sustainable and profitable growth for all.